What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable noise cancellation in Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Meet or you can type meet.google.com. So after typing, you will be redirected to this website of Google Meet. Now let's say if you want to join a meeting, you can enter the meeting link or code and then click on join. So you will join the meeting. I don't have any meeting for uh, from where I can copy the link and join. So I will just create an instant meeting. So as you can see, I have started an instant meeting and now I want the noise cancellation option to turn on. So here at the bottom right, you can see the option of more options. Click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, a new window will appear, wherein the click on the audio section, and in the audio section, as you can see, my microphone is blocked for now, but if your microphone is turned on and you have of course allowed the microphone to speak, here you will see the option of noise cancellation, and then you will see a toggle bar on the right side. Just simply turn on the toggle bar of the noise cancellation. Now this one guys, turn on the toggle bar of noise cancellation, and then you will be able to enable the noise cancellation in Google Meet. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.